Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to screen record on Windows 11. So simply press on your keyboard Windows button plus Shift plus S. Then you get this option. Okay, so this is a screenshot option and this is a screen record option. Just press on to select. Okay, press on to select and select the area. Like I'm select this area. If you want to enable to your microphone and press on start. Okay, and press on to stop option. Okay, and need to just save this screen record. Press on select location, press on save. So look here, now successfully record this screen.